Hello and welcome to Excel Highway. In today's video, I want to share with you what I call Task Manager 4.0. That's right, this is a task manager, but it's looking like something entirely different than an Excel file. So you can see in this example, I have a software development project. I have three columns, new, in progress, and done. Each have their own colors, and the tasks are below, each with their own status. I also have a ribbon here for task management. Let me show you how easy it is to use. So you can click on New Project Board. That's going to create a new sheet. Going to give it a name, let's say Project number 2. So it creates a new sheet, basically a copy of this one over here. And then you can just click on New Task. That's going to create a new task. It has a task number, which is not important, but it's a unique identifier for it. So let's plan the project. That's going to be done by me, and I can add a note, make a list. I don't know. Click on submit, and I get a shape. Okay, it's a shape with my task description and in brackets the name of the resource if available. I can click another task and say find partner, and I don't have anybody assigned to it, so I'm going to submit, and you can see first of all that the size of the shape is different because it needs less room, and also there's nobody in brackets. And these are tasks that are created over here, okay? And the notes are created over here, and they're linked in this column, column D. What else do I have here? All right. So now if I update this and I found a partner, let's say Jim T. I don't know. See, it doesn't look very well, but if I click again, then the shape adjusts. I can go back to one of my tasks and I see on the right I have my note history. So I had start ASAP, make a list, working on it. I don't know. I can just make these as I choose, and I'm going to see it next time in the note history. Also going to appear over here in the task notes. And this has no impact on this project, right? That's what's nice. Each sheet is a project on its own. And of course, you can change the name of the sheet if you want. So let's create another task. Create plan, I don't know, assign to Tim. Okay, now as the progress of the project starts to progress, I can take one of the tasks and move it over here to in progress. To the area of the column, then I have to click somewhere and the sheet will adjust. You see that the shape changed color and dimensions, and these other moved up. And also if I move this one over here and move this one over here, and you don't have to do it for all of them, right? I can do it like this. I can switch this over here, switch this over here, click, and each of them will be updated. And deleting a task is very simple. You click on the shape, delete it. That's it. It's always going to be stored here in the task database, but it doesn't matter because if it's deleted, you can't restore it actually. So that's a problem. Once it's gone, it's gone. There's no Control Z for that, unfortunately. But you can always recreate the task with the new task button. So that's pretty simple demonstration of what this file can do. Imagine you had 10 different sheets like this for each project. You could just go one by one and move the items just to see your position, and of course hide or change the color to gray if it's completed so you don't see it anymore, or move it to the back, or anyway, a lot of options. These sheets are just the helping sheets, and theoretically you could have more columns. You could add more columns here with more statuses or whatever you want, and that can be done as well. All right, I hope you found the value in this video. If you did, please subscribe, as I'm showing you more and more of what can be done with Excel and Google Sheets from week to week. Stay tuned.